What's up guys, I'm back with another video. So welcome to my modification video of my BS6 Himalayan. So it's been 9 months since I got my bike, and I haven't done any sort of modification other than the mobile holder. So yeah, finally I got the time and the budget to do some modifications, and these are some useful modifications. It's not like I did some useless modifications. It's all going to be useful for my long ride that I'm doing this month. So yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay, so the first modification is the knuckle guards. Now these are the Ace knuckle guards. I got it from HTRZ Bangalore for 1700 including the fixing charges. You can contact them, say my name or show this video to them. They might give a bit of discount for you, so you can do that if you live in Bangalore. So yeah, so these are pretty strong and pretty sturdy. Like I had an incident where I dashed into an auto, and I was really lucky that I didn't hurt my knuckles. That is the reason I got this handguards, for the main reason. And these actually are very good aesthetically for the looks, and also works pretty well, like in terms of safety. Yeah. So if you want to install these handguards for Himalayan, you might have to change your handlebar or install a handlebar raise or something. Now what I did was, you see this part over here, right? This part, I bought the same part from Royal Enfield spare parts shop. It was about 200 rupees. I'll put the part number on the screen right now. So what I did was, I turned it upside down and bought 50 Allen key bolts, and I just put it upside down and just tightened it, so we get about 25 of handlebar rise. So that's what I did. Now it doesn't touch the windscreen. That is the issue with the Himalayan. If you install a handguard, it will touch the windscreen even though if you put it one step higher. So right now it doesn't touch, and I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, coming to the next modification. Now this is the pannier stay or pannier kit from Royal Enfield. The reason I got this was because it's pretty strong, and also I'm planning to get panniers in the near future, and it also looks good. The reason I did all of these modifications is because the main reason is for the purpose, for what it gives, and the looks, of course. Yeah. Okay, so I haven't changed the indicator location. Usually the indicators come up over here, these two parts over here. They do the wiring and stuff which come out from here and goes over here. I didn't do all of those. I'm not sure if I'm going to change the location of the indicators even if I buy the panniers, because I like it this way. Okay, so the price of this pannier stay or pannier kit is 3,500. I got it from Electronicity Motors in Bangalore. Okay, so my third modification is the tank wrap, tank lamination, PPF, whatever you want to call it. So I got it done from JP Nagar. I don't remember the shop name. I'll put it in the description box below. So this costed me about 1,500. It's only the top area of the tank, and it's a gloss finish, and I know it's a bit expensive and it started coming out, but it's really good. The reason I got this was because I needed to use my tank bag. After using my tank bag for a couple of days, I started seeing some scratches coming up, so that is the reason I got this PPF done. Now the fourth modification is this master cylinder guard. I got it from Royal Enfield showroom for 700 rupees. It's pretty good, I would say. I have nothing much to say about that. So yeah. Okay, so these are the 4 modifications that I did on my bike, including the risers. It's gonna be 5 modifications. I know some of you might be like, what are these? There's only 5 modifications, what is this? And you made a separate video for this. So these are some basic modification, as you guys can see. I'm not saying that I'm stopping the modification over here. I will continue to modify my bike in the future, but for now this is fine. I'm happy with it. So I guess that's it for the video. I hope you guys like the video. I hope my bike looks good and clean. So yeah, so you guys know the drill. Like the video, share the video, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.